Well guys, I am back guys. I did have to get me some more dirt because I got to redo all of these dirt. This is more like sand. So I'm gonna put sand on top of the plants, the dirt. So these cactus, they could get a lot of drainage guys. So I'm back again guys. So sit back, relax, enjoy my plant channel. Show your support guys. You could tap the screen if you like my plants. You know guys, you could, whatever you want to do guys. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Working with plants today guys. Let me know if you guys enjoy working with plants also guys. Plants is relaxing, when you work with plants you get to relax your mind. Guys, I'm gonna put these dirts over here guys. Actually I need a little extra.